When I'm shopping for new road bikes, I like to know what weight they're going to be. I struggle to find any accurate information about this specific model and some others, so I'm going to take mine out of the box, weigh it, and hopefully that will help you. Well, I'm not sure how visible it's going to be on the camera. Let me just focus on the scales. So I've done a couple of tests here. So what I'll do is just show it to you. Okay, out of the box, 7.43 kilograms. So this is a size medium. Advanced Pro 0. So for Americans that is 16.37 pounds or 14.86 gin, whatever that is. And that weight is without the reflector that came with it, and it's without the spoke guard. So that's the weight straight out of the box with no pedals or anything like that on it. So once I add my Wahoo mount and pedals, clearly that's going to increase a little bit. There's also a couple of mods I'd quite like to do just to try to reduce the weight a little bit as well. So I might make a video about that. The final thing people seem to like to see is, or hear, is the sound of the Freehub. So we'll do that and end the video. Bit obnoxious really.